Hello, I'm Victor Parton, the mathematician who discovered ordered semigroup actions. This is package manager for remote software. It's installed remotely but behaves like in your own computer. We get this to the internet and install a package. Upgradable package. Start installation. Install stable version. It prevents somebody other to uninstall, update, or otherwise break your software. We have installed package upgradable 001. We want to upgrade it. Upgrade to beta 002. Upgrading. We upgrading in upgradable package. It's upgrading. It's upgraded. Now it's version 002. As you see, we can uninstall a package, etc. So it's a package manager that uses blockchain to secure an app to the user that nobody else can control it instead of the user. It redefined the concept of SaaS because now the app is under full control of the user, not under control of the vendor. Like if the app were on user's own page, user's own computer. We can bookmark the location, so the user returns to this location and manages his software. Thank you for your attention.